It's a no for me. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be trying out these TikTok snacks. I have about like 4 TikTok snacks I'm going to be trying. I will be trying the bell pepper with cream cheese and everything bagel seasoning, the Takis with jalapeno. I'm going to show you how it looks. Hold on. I had to cut it in the middle so that the cream cheese could go all the way in the bottom. But yeah, that, and then I have this pickle. Oh, it's already sticking. Alright, well I have this pickle. Don't mind my nails, guys. I have this pickle wrapped with cotton candy. It's about to go down today because that's the snack that I'm looking for the most, and I feel like it's going to be the best. So I'm gonna first try this. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I didn't do the bagel, everything bagel. I wanted to show you guys. I didn't do the everything bagel seasoning because I am allergic to sesame seeds. Yes, that is weird, but I'm allergic to sesame seeds and they have that in it. So I just did a little salt and pepper. I don't know if it's gonna taste the same, but hopefully it's still good. Let me try this out. I'm trying to think of what this reminds me of. I get peppers on my pizza, so it fake tastes like a pizza, but I think it's just because I'm hungry. Cause yeah, I was gonna put salami on this, but I don't have any more salami. But I give this I'm gonna give this an 8 out of 10. And I'm gonna give this an 8 out of 10 because it's missing something. I feel like it's missing like a meat or something. Like I would add like some salami or pepperoni to this to make it really slap, or like a piece of ham or something. So after this video I might do that. But oh yeah, and I also have a mug cake for you guys. So like I mixed up a cake and a mug and I baked it in the microwave for like 3 minutes, and it's like an Oreo in it. So it's like supposed to be like a lava cake or some shit like that. So yeah, now I'm gonna go on to the jalapeno with Takis. Let's see. I hope this is not too spicy. I tried to gut the jalapeno best as I could because I do not want it to be too damn spicy. But okay, I haven't had Takis since high school, bro. I'm not gonna lie, I'm gonna have to give that a 7 out of 10. It wasn't that good to me because in high school I was never the type to eat the whole Taki. I was those girls who just ate the seasoning off the Taki and put it back in the bag. So I don't know how I feel about it. I don't know. It's good, but it ain't like how people like made it out to seem. Like I see people eating like five of these a day, and I couldn't. But I'm gonna still eat it though. Hold on. Like this, and you know why? Because of the crunch. It gives it a crunch. So it's like it fake tastes just like the bell pepper, but it has like a different texture. Like that's what I was saying to y'all. Like the bell pepper was missing something. Yo, my nose is burning right now. My nose is burning me right now. Okay, for the moment of truth, guys, this is gonna be like so bomb. This is the cotton candy wrapped pickle, and I think this got created from Diera. Do not like bomb me if I'm wrong. I feel like it was, because I think that's the first person I've seen do it, and then it just went viral on TikTok. But I'm gonna try it. Everybody doing the different colors, but I feel like cotton candy tastes like cotton candy. Like the flavors don't really matter. So this is all pink, my favorite color. So Let's take a bite. Oh! It's a no for me. Y'all are nasty. Y'all, did I use the right pickle? Because that's disgusting. Y'all, I just wasted my cotton candy. It looked good right from right here, but that's disgusting. Let me taste another bite. I'm gonna retake it. Hold on. Yeah, I can't. It's a dub. I rate that a 2 out of 10. Not even a 2 out of 10. I couldn't even eat it. 0 out of 10. I don't know. That's like pregnancy 101. You have to be pregnant to like that, because that is dirt. What the fuck? I like pickles too, so I don't think it's because of the pickles, but I didn't like that. The cotton candy does have like a little salty taste now though. That's kind of good, but I can't eat the pickle with cotton candy together. Juices of the pickle mixed with the cotton candy is just like, ew. This had to be the best snack. Maybe. No. Yeah, I think this was the best snack. I don't know if I rated this lower than the bell pepper, but this had to be the best snack because... Oh wait, I still have the mug cake. Alright guys, that was the end to the video. I didn't get to record me eating the mug cake, but I have it on my camera roll, so I'm going to attach it to the video. But if you guys like this video, make sure you guys do a big thumbs up and comment what you guys want to see me do next. Bye!